Hi, I'm Pao and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these pants for JHOPE's concert here in Manila. So when I was lucky to be able to secure a ticket, I immediately thought of making my own outfit, inspired by the Hope on the Stage tour aesthetic. So I wanted to wear red pants and just paint over it. This is the design I came up with. I also wanted to add flames for our sun. So before I start, I iron it and then I use white colored pencil to sketch the design. I don't have fabric pencil, I don't know what you call that. So I just looked for something for anything that I can use here at home. I wanted JHOPE to look as close to the poster as possible, so I used a ruler for almost precise measurement, and then I just did freehand for the body and the other details. Masking tape is very useful for me. Here I'm going to be using it to tape the area where I want to be painting Hope on the Stage, and also for me to be able to paint a straight line on the top and the bottom edges. Texts have always been tricky for me because I am not a good I don't write well. My handwriting is not that good, so this has always been a struggle for me. But we have to just practice, right? Now this is the satisfying part, peeling the tape off. Look at that. I forgot to mention that I used acrylic paint for painting this. This is what I have at home, and this usually works for me when painting fabrics. So I just opted to use acrylic paint. But this certain fabric is kind of weird. The paint doesn't hold that well and it's kind of stretch. So when I paint, it doesn't flow smoothly, and I always need to reapply paint over and over, so it's kind of wasteful. Here I'm just praying, please look like JHOPE, please look like JHOPE. I also used white acrylic paint to add highlights. All done for the hard parts. Now let's move on to the flames. So I decided to just scrap the other colors, the orange, red, darker red, and then the black, and just do one black layer. Decided to do a freehand of the outline using a paint marker and just disregard the initial sketch I made. After I'm done, I decided to put it in the washing machine, and this is what happened. It faded. I didn't know. I didn't have any problems working with acrylic and fabric before, but there's probably this fabric is probably not suited for acrylic. So good thing I have textile paint here at home, and I just decided to use it. I only have black. So there. You know, I kind of liked how it turned out with the gradient effect because of the fading and then the darker outline. Look. Time to put the rhinestones. So I bought a pack of dark amethyst hot fix rhinestones in size S6. So I didn't know I would be needing more. So it says in the packaging it's around 1,000 pieces. So I think it's just enough for this project. And then here I'm just applying it one by one and then just ironing it so that I can activate the glue. So I just tried again and again to check if it really holds. I'm using a pencil specifically used for picking up rhinestones. I'm just trying to put it one by one. I also use a sculpting tool to adjust it when necessary before ironing it onto the fabric. Sometimes I just pour them all over and just nudge them to where I want them to be. Here, I already ran out of rhinestones, so I think I was able to make do with what I have. I love how it shines under the light. And here are all the stuff I made in preparation for this concert. I posted the videos of how I made them here in my channel. I didn't include here the freebies I prepared for my fellow armies. So this is the full outfit. I'm curious to know what you wore or what you're gonna wear for the concert. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and share. I would really appreciate it. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe as well. I will be posting more soon, I promise. Here are some photos of the outfit with my friends I came to the concert with. JHOPE was amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Thank you.